What's up, guys? Super gnarly Rancho ride here. I'm finally learning my way around, and we found a lot of really good stuff. Both the Pioneer and the Can-Am performed awesome, totally proving you don't need an overbuilt, unreliable turd on portals to have fun. Enjoy the footage. This is an excellent ride. Oh, yeah! Oh, the Aztecs got it, though. Look at that, dude! So as you can see, I took my stock XMR 700 tires and threw them on my Pioneer. They're much better on the side-by-side, but they do require a lot of wheel spin to clean out. But yeah, decent side-by-side tires, shit ATV. Time to do some sketchy shit, dude. I mean, it's not like there's water down here. It's mud straight up to the surface.
Where's your phone?
I don't know. Oh.
Look at your kneecap.
Hear that grinding noise? Yep, that's shitty old Visco lock. I did not have the front differential locked here. That Can-Am has some low gears. You were totally high center, it just drug you all the way through that shit. So I'm gonna try the hole I just drugged the Pioneer out of. Dip lock engaged. This is where these tires really shine. I'm gonna try to hit the edge of it fast and then go through that side after, if I make it. So these tires really are just crazy good. I don't know any other tire that would go through this other than like a Mamba or maybe a Mamba Light. Most tires just don't bite on a slippery surface like this. And the Aztec, I don't know how they did it, but it just pulls well going fast. It pulls well turning it slow. It pulls well in sand bottom, mud bottom, clay bottom, plants, weeds, and somehow it's still the lightest mud tire. So yeah, there's certain tires that are better for certain situations, but for an all-around mud tire that's not going to break axles and slow your machine down, hands down the best tire.
That's an excellent tire. We need to go back to the water.
Yeah, I gotta go in the water. The only thing that is clean is the snorkels. There's a little bit of mud in there too.
And your face.
I did not think you were gonna go through that. I'll try this one. Here. So I've got a couple really hard rides, just absolutely hammering on it with this setup right here, XMR 700 on 32-inch Tarocchi Aztecs. That being said, I've proven that it's robust and it's capable and it's great, so I'm going to change it and ruin the machine because I'm retarded. I've got the S3 arms coming, and I'm going to go back to the 33s on the 18s, which are a little heavier and don't float as much.
Almost had it. This thing is really good without pouring.
All right, let's try this canal trail. This could be funny. Oh! Oh yeah, we got it. You're good! Pioneer, get some gas. The Pioneer has the gurgle.
And then you pop off this cover. You can look down here and buried. I left my plug out of my drain. Put some clay on it because clay is like RTV in my opinion. And then stick it in the hose. All right.
Oh, it's a little waterfall. Wow, let me look at the map. I'm really confused. All right, guys, we lost my phone. Again, but we found it. But is it cracked or not?
Oh.
It was on the back of the Pioneer during all the donuts.
This is the extent of our drinks. Oh wait, we got one more. This is what he brings me to eat.
Delicacy.
Mint.
Pretty good.
Why are you so telling me this is not a good idea?
Just trying to get stuck at the same time I'm stuck. I think you can make it. You just gotta try to beat out the sides. Like hit this side, hit that side, you know?
Christian's contraption here, the load on the side. Oh, you need to go to the left. Your other left. Oh!
It's fucking mint and you know it.